Greetings. Dumelang Sanbonani. Okay, guys, we're still carrying all of the basic conditions of employment, chapter 4, which in the last video we're dealing with the remuneration. So we're still carrying on there. Now we're going to jump into the information about remuneration, which is normally called the salary advice or pay slips, depends on how you decide to refer to it. Information about remuneration. 1. An employer must give an employee the following information in writing on each day the employee is paid. A. The employer's name and address. The employee's name and occupation. C. The period for which the payment is made. The employee's remuneration in money. E. The amount and purpose of any deduction made from the remuneration. F. The actual amount paid to the employee. And G. If relevant to the calculation of the employee's remuneration, the employee's rate of remuneration and overtime rate.